It's time for Justin's Mustang restoration. Hi, I'm Justin, and today I'll be replacing the lap belts with new 3-point seat belts in a 1966 Ford Mustang. For this installation, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, an Allen key, sockets, a ratchet, wrenches, a drill bits, a rivet gun, and your seat belt kit. The first step in this installation is to remove the lap belts. In order to remove the lap belts, you must remove the bolts holding them in place. Next, you must remove the rear seat cushions so that you can remove the side panel. Next, you must use the Allen key to remove the rear window crank in order to remove the side panel. Next, remove the door sill plate. In order to do that, remove the screws holding it in place. Next, remove the side panel. In order to do that, remove the screws holding it in place. Next, drill through the factory hole on the inside of the car for the top seatbelt anchor point. Next, you must temporarily secure the side panel back in place so that you can drill a hole from the outside in for the top seatbelt anchor point. Now use the top seatbelt anchor to mark the points where you're going to drill for your rivets. Next, drill the holes for your rivets. Now secure the top seatbelt anchor with the rivets. Next, secure the top part of the seatbelt to the top seatbelt anchor. Next, pull back the carpet and mark where the lower seatbelt anchor will go. Now, drill a hole for the bottom seatbelt anchor. Next, bolt down the bottom seatbelt anchor using the hole you just drilled. Next, cut a slit in the carpet for the bottom seatbelt anchor. Next, bolt the lower part of the seatbelt to the anchor. Next, secure the remaining part of the seatbelt to the hole that the original lap belt used. Now that you have finished installing the seatbelt on this side, repeat the steps for the other side and then reinstall the parts you removed. The new 3-point seatbelts are very important because they add more protection by adding a belt that comes down across the chest. Thank you for watching. Check out my channel for more restoration videos.